Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and this is my new beautiful handbag from Montana West Wrangler in the color Weave Gradient Brown. This is my favorite bag because it's perfect for any occasion. One of the things that I look for in a bag is that not only is it beautiful, how this one is, but that it's also multifunctional and has 10 of compartment spaces, and this purse has just that. As a mom, I want a purse with tons of space. On the side of the bags, there are compartment spaces where you can put anything you need. For example, your water bottle, your little one's sippy cup. You can even put your phone in here for easy access. And the inside is so beautiful with its print, and it has tons of room inside. It has a zipper and 2 extra compartment spaces with a ton of room in the middle. There's even a space in the back where you can open the zipper and put anything you need on the outside. As I said, this bag is perfect for any occasion. I even take it to work, and it even fits my laptop in size. That's what a great size the purse is. I even love that it comes with a strap where I can attach it, and I can easily adjust the size of how it fits. I've even worn this bag out for a fancy dinner at night, and I've gotten so many compliments on it. This is the perfect gift to give to yourself or to give to a loved one. Honestly, the perfect gift for any age. So definitely get your hands on this beautiful bag from Montana West Wrangler. That's my point of view.